Hello nature lovers, today we will enjoy the Mirabilis Jalapa or 4 o'clock flower in the garden and learn about them. Mirabilis Jalapa, commonly known as the 4 o'clock flower, is a tuberous-rooted perennial plant native to tropical America. It is also called Marvel of Peru. It belongs to the Nyctaginaceae family. It is a popular ornamental plant in many parts of the world, due to its beautiful trumpet-shaped flowers that come in a variety of colors, including red, pink, white, and yellow. The 4 o'clock flower is relatively easy to grow and care for. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It is drought-tolerant once established, but it will benefit from regular watering during hot, dry weather. Fertilize the plant every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer to promote blooming. The 4 o'clock flower is a popular choice for gardens and borders. It can also be grown in containers, but it will need to be watered more frequently. The plant is relatively low maintenance, but it is important to deadhead the spent flowers regularly to encourage new blooms. In colder climates, the 4 o'clock flower can be overwintered indoors. To do this, dig up the tubers in the fall after the first frost. Cut back the foliage to a few inches tall. Store the tubers in a cool, dry place until spring. The 4 o'clock flower has a number of uses. The flowers are often used in fresh and dried flower arrangements. The leaves and roots of the plant have also been used in traditional medicine, but it is important to note that the plant is poisonous if ingested. In addition to its ornamental and medicinal uses, the 4 o'clock flower is also a valuable food source for pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. The flowers open in the late afternoon and remain open until the next morning, providing a valuable source of nectar and pollen during a time when many other flowers are closed. Overall, the 4 o'clock flower is a versatile and attractive plant that is easy to grow and care for. It is a popular choice for gardens, borders, and containers. The plant is also a valuable food source for pollinators. Thanks for watching the video about 4 o'clock plant care. If you really find it to be helpful and enjoying, do hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos like this.